Breaking news, Hong Kong has lifted its crypto ban. They've given out their first crypto licenses of 2025, and this has huge implications for 4 cryptocurrencies. And before we get into the 4 cryptocurrencies, let me explain why this is such huge news. Partly because how large Hong Kong's economy is. Their GDP is $382 billion. It has them firmly around in the top 30, 35 of all GDPs. You can see it right here. They're projected to grow faster than a lot of their peers as well. But per capita, Hong Kong is one of the richest jurisdictions in the entire globe. This chart right here shows Hong Kong, United States, United Kingdom, and China. Hong Kong is this orange line, and it has recently passed everybody with GDP per person. This is the amount of money each citizen has, if you want to look at it that way. And when it comes to investing in crypto, you need disposable income, and one of the easiest ways to have disposable income is just have a high GDP per person. But I said it's important for 4 coins. Why is it important for 4 coins? You can only trade 4 cryptocurrencies in Hong Kong. Every other coin is illegal. Let's go into the details. So they issued their first crypto licenses of 2025. This is their version of the SEC. They call it the SFC, Securities and Futures Commission, and they just gave out their first operational licenses for crypto trading platforms in 2025. Panther Trade and Yax got one. Now this brings the total number to 7 since mid-24. So there's a handful of exchanges that can trade crypto in Hong Kong, trying to get about, I want to say, close to 11 by the end of the year. But you can only trade 4 cryptocurrencies. So what are the 4 cryptocurrencies? Well, the fast reader saw it at the bottom, but it is only Chainlink, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Avalanche. Part of the reason this is such bullish news, and we're going to do a deep dive on one of the 4 coins in a second, is Hong Kong has just long been known for dragging its heels when it comes to issuing these licenses and working with crypto companies. There's always been delays in registering these crypto entities, and they've always had a strict licensing regime in Hong Kong, a little bit of a spillover of the Chinese policies. But back to the 4 tokens. Like I said, there are only 4 cryptocurrencies legally available for purchase and sale in Hong Kong: Bitcoin, Ether, Avalanche, and Chainlink. And with the high GDP per person, I mean, amongst the highest in the globe, these 4 tokens are going to have a lot of buying pressure. Remember, they have a very large GDP, projected maybe even hitting 400 billion this year. So what are these 4 coins? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, and Chainlink am I most bullish on? Why? Well, to do that, we need to really look at the chain analysis. We got to go into in-depth. We got to pop open the hood. Now, Bitcoin, very bullish on Bitcoin. Ethereum, very bullish on Ethereum, but I don't think they're going to have quite the upside as Chainlink or Avalanche. So when it comes down to those 2, which am I more bullish on and why? So we're looking at DeFi Llama. We're going into peek under the hood here a little. And so we're looking at 2 different things. We're looking at market cap and token volume. When the market cap of the token went up, when the price of Chainlink went up, we did start seeing a little bit of a spike. But really, the large spike came after Donald Trump was elected. After Trump was elected, you can just see the volume for Chainlink is skyrocketing. And when we go to Avalanche and look at the same metrics here, we're looking at the market cap, we're looking at the Avalanche volume here. Avalanche volume is heading down. And so we have Chainlink volume heading up. You can see it here. And we have Avalanche volume heading down. You can see it there. And when I move the candles to weekly, you can definitely see the downturn when it comes to Avalanche volume. The easiest way for you to get wrecked in crypto is to lose all your funds. Whether it's an exchange going down, an exploit, or just a hack, make sure you protect your crypto with Arculus Cold Storage. We love it here at the channel. And if you use code DC20, you can save yourself 20%. Protect yourself out there. Because just last year alone, hackers stole almost $2 billion from users out there. Do not let it be you. Protect your funds. And not only can you protect, you can buy, swap, send, and receive crypto with a single tap and hold. Go get yourself an Arculus now. Now, we can't compare everything on Avalanche and Chainlink. One is an Oracle, one is an L2, so we're not going to see all the same things. Like I can't really check stable coins on Chainlink, for instance, but what I can do is check Chainlink charts. I found something in the Chainlink charts I don't know if anyone really noticed. So last cycle, when we peaked, this was the December 17, January 2018 level, Chainlink had a sharp correction. Chainlink corrected 89%. Well, after we had a peak in 2021, Chainlink also experienced an 89% correction. So after the correction last time, Chainlink had a massive pump. When I say massive, you might not be ready. I hope you're sitting down. Chainlink would end up pumping 32,000%. Now, folks, that's not a 32x. That's a 320x. So Chainlink did a 300x. I don't think Chainlink's going to do a 300x from the low right here. That would be incredible, but I don't think it's going to do a 300x. But I do think it can do a 30x. So let's go ahead and see what a 3000% pump looks like. Now, this is quick back of the napkin math. I don't think Chainlinks can pump exactly 3000%, but I do think it can pump at least 3000%, maybe even hit a little higher. But if it does pump 1/10 of the pump that it did last time, you were looking at a $160 Chainlink. Now, I've long had a target between $100 and $200, so that fits right in that wheelhouse. Right now, Chainlink is trading under $25. If it goes up to $150, that is a 6x. So you can see incredible gains with Chainlink, I think, relative to Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Avalanche. But Hong Kong, making it available to buy these 4 tokens, finally giving out their first crypto licenses of 2025. Very, very, very bullish, folks. So I want you to keep an eye out on those tokens. If you don't have some exposure to at least 3 out of 4 of those, you might need to rethink your portfolio. But of the 4, probably most bullish on Chainlink. I'm DZ. That's all I got. And I'll see you in your Hong Kong bags at the top.